Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing one reliable reference track. This is your anchor. Once done, import camera files and separate recorder audio, then create a sequence matching your clip's frame rate. Make a visible sync point, clap, slate, or a loud transient, and mark it on each clip. Zoom the timeline and enable waveforms so you can see the peaks. Align the marked transients visually. Make sure audio sample rates match to avoid later drift, and keep the reference clip locked while you move others. Next, pick a syncing method based on your media. If distinct waveforms exist, select clips and choose Clip Synchronize by Audio. Premiere looks for matching peaks. If you have timecode or want one file output, use Merge Clips and pick timecode or in point. For stubborn offsets, nudge by one frame, use slip edits, or add markers at identical transients and snap clips to them. Make sure you ripple lock tracks as needed, and check multicam playback if you built a multi-camera sequence. Finalize by linking the correct audio to its video, then apply short crossfades and normalize levels so edits sound seamless. Once done, render the audio and scrub the timeline to confirm sync across the entire clip. Export a short test to validate. If you encounter drift, make sure all files share the same sample rate and frame rate, clear cache, or conform audio. If problems persist, use a dedicated tool like Plural Eyes. Remember, consistent clock sources prevent most sync failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.